Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. My name is Rotem and I'm doing affiliate marketing for over than 20 years. If it's the first time you are in the channel, you can click on the subscribe button and you have notification whenever there will be a new video. This channel is all about how we can do affiliate marketing without showing our face. There is a series you can see. If the first time, you need to start from part 1 and then 2, 3 and 4, etc. in order that you will understand what we are doing in the series. In the last video I teach you how you can create this type of video that we have a video in the background and a picture on top of it and a call to action to the domain. In this video, we will create an infographic video. The background will be the same and the call to action will be the same, but instead of a picture, we will build an infographic. We can use infographic if we have, for example, programs, affiliate programs or other programs that we promote that we don't have any materials to put inside the videos. In Builder we have, because they can give us picture like this one, like I show you in the last video. But if you don't have, you can make the infographic or use other picture. Today we will focus about the infographic. Okay, so what is infographic? Infographic is a way to do a visualization of our data. For example, if we go to Canva and we type infographic, we can see a template that have data visualization on top of them. What we will do is a very simple infographic. Of course, you can choose a template if you want. You can choose, for example, this is a paid one, but I'm looking for, for example, this one. We can take this infographic template for a base. But the problem is that the dimension is not the same as we need in Instagram Reels or TikTok. We can't just do the infographic and here and save it directly like a video. But there is other ways. For example, we can save the infographic as a picture, download it and upload it again in our reel or other way. But if you want to use the template, I think this is the way. You can change text, icons, etc. But what we do now, we will start from a blank area in our video, and we will build the infographic on top of it. Okay, so we can go to the previous video and then duplicate it. You see, we can make a copy, so we can start and change and not else the last one. So, for example, I can here at the top I did a copy and type another name. For this example, I will remove the first step and we start from here. And here what I will do is I will remove the picture, the old one that we have now. So we have for now just the background, the video in the background, and the call to action. And now what I want to do is add a box or a background at the top of the video that will add the infographic on top of it. For that I can go to element, If I want just a simple box, I can choose something like that and put it here. And then I can change the color, for example, a white one. It is just an example, but you see the idea. And this will be the base of our infographic. Infographic most of the time have data like we have here, that it have a chart or icon that demonstrate the data, and a text aside that will explain what we see in that point. So the first thing that we need to do is to collect the data. For that, for example, if we are promoting a Builderall, we can go to the website and start to look on data that we think that we can visualize it. For example, we can see all the features. There is an icon and a subject and the features. Another thing that we can do is, for example, go to the plans. And we can see that there is, when we see a numbers and a data, it's perfect for us for in order that we try to visualize it. For example, we see that in different plans, there are different options, and we can try to demonstrate those facts inside the infographic. In order just to demonstrate, I will show you how we can visualize the data. For example, if we click on, if we search for charts, Canva adds us option to visualize and change the data and show and to see how it is shown in on the screen. For example, I will take the items of men's, and you see that there is, we can change the number of the items, we can change the number of the fill items, we can change the spacing, and we can change also the icon. For example, if we want to visualize something like money, or we want to change something like a computer or something like that, we can choose a different icon and change the data in order to visualize it. So the chart is the first thing that we can do in order to visualize the data. Another thing that we can do is use charts like this. For example, we can change the visualized, and we can change the data. This is something like a progress dial if we need. It's, for example, can demonstrate the speed of the server or time that the page is loading or something like that. And we have more options. For example, if we need, we can take chart like this one. We can add the label inside it. In the next video, I will show you how you can create videos with slides. Thanks.